Hi, my name is Andrew, and I'm gonna tell you about the yellow light of death. And this is my little brother Nicholas. Say hello.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Okay.
Hello.
And then we just take this off, and then you take this thing right here, pull it right here till it stops, and we'll take it out right here. This is the hard drive. And you want to be very careful because you don't want, when you put it in, you don't want to break the PlayStation. All right, this is the sticker that you need to take off right here, and the rubber. So you just get this, take the sticker off, and try to get it out. And there's rubber right here. And then you just take the sticker off.
You don't need it.
You don't need this right here. This is a torque screw 10, and you take a screw out here, and you don't want to break it. And here's the screw. And then softly you slide this right here, and gently take it off. All right, these are the screws that you need to take out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now here's a fill-up, and you're gonna take them out with the fill-up. Carefully take them out with the fill-up. So then you get the fill-up, and then you screw these screws out. Screwing out. So then you pull it out, and there's the screw. This is what the screw's gonna look like. It's pretty tall. So then you have to take out the rest.
How I jump.
We resume this video when I get all the screws out. It's gonna kind of take forever, so we resume it when we get all the screws back. So now we're just gonna take this off, and we put the PlayStation 3 on the towel so you can get the view much better on the PlayStation. Alright, so then you just take this off from right here, and it's just gonna stay like that. And then this is all the dust right here. You need to clean all that dust out. Okay, now we're just gonna take this off so we can take this cable box off. But first of all, if you want to take this cable box off first, you need to take this off first. So then you unconnect this. Okay, then you unplug this right here. So then you put it up carefully. Put it on the PlayStation. Okay. And so there's screws that you need to take right here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So then you just get a screw, right? The Phillips. And you do this and take it out. Okay, so I took in all the screws out. See this tape right here? You need there's a cord that goes to it, and then you just take it out so it can be free. And you want to take this out so you can release it, and be very gentle so you can release it. Very gentle. Then you just take this out right in the back. Very gentle to take it out.
Straight up.
Straight up. Gently put it right here. Right. And then we just put this one on the side right here. Right here. Okay, now there's a screw right here. Now you just need to unscrew it right now. You put the screw right here. And you're going to unscrew it. And this screw's stuck in here. It's very hard. Oh, now we can release. Here's the screw. There. It's very small. Okay, so you know how I unscrewed the unscrewed? Now it's unleashed. Now you're just gonna gently put it right here, so it won't break in anything. Okay, so now you got your board right here. So then you got to take out 8 screws right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So then you get this screwdriver, fill up, then you take them out. Okay, I'm going to take all these screws out, and then when they're all put out, we're going to come back to our show. Okay, now we got all the 8 screws out. Now we need to take 4 more out. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we just take these out. Now you got those 4 pieces out. Okay, so we get this metal part. So we already take this out, took it out. Then we're gonna pull it up. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. And there you go, the middle piece. So then you put it right here. Okay, now you see we got this green part. We're going to heat it right now, but it's under this piece. So gently and firmly get this, be careful to pick it up. Pick it up slowly, you hold this metal part. Separate it from right here. Okay, so you know how we have this green piece? So remember I said we're going to heat it. So then you pull this up. Right here. Watch out for plugs. There's a plug right here. Attach it so it can come off. And there's the green piece. It's off. Okay, here's the motherboard. We're going to clean these 2 pieces. 1, 2. And we're going to use a rubbing alcohol to clean these 2 pieces. 1, 2. Right there. These 2 pieces. Okay, we have a rubbing alcohol right here. It says right here, rubbing alcohol. So then we're just gonna put some right here. So then we're gonna clean CPU and GPU, and we come back when we're done cleaning it. Okay, now we came back to our show. Now we clean these two pieces. And look, right here, they're all clean. And we did it with rubbing alcohol. It says right there. Now we're just gonna put this right here. Now we did that, so now we got 2 more to do. We got these 2 right there. Now we need to clean these 2. And we come back when we clean these 2. Bye.